In this Wix tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can show toolbar on Wix editor. So let's jump right into this video. And if you find this short video helpful, make sure you subscribe. And if you want to see the next Wix tutorial, the next Wix website tutorial, if you want something you search for something particular, let me know in the comment section. Something about Wix and you don't know, let me know in the comment section. So how you can show toolbar on Wix, what you're gonna have to do is just to click on tools here. So we are right now in the Wix editor, and here we have toolbar, so or tools, sorry. And if you click on tools, here you have toolbar, and if you enable this, toolbar will just pop up here. And here in tools we also have editor and add-on, pretty cool stuff. You can get some add-on, let's say this color selector. I found this very helpful. You can add this here, select the color and get the exact color. Okay, so the exact color. So, pretty cool here. Well, that's what you need to do. You just click on tools here, and then here you're gonna find toolbar. If you want to remove it, just uncheck this button and you just turn off kind of, or just remove toolbar. So I hope you found this short video helpful, and thanks for watching and take care.